Welcome to this CNC training class. So today I would like to explain the procedure for writing the step turning by using this stock removal cycle, that is the CAN cycle, that is G71. So for this, as you know, one format is there. There is one format for stock removal cycle, that is G71 U something and R, and then G71 P Q U W and F, end of block. So this is the programming format for our stock removal cycle. So what is the meaning of this U R P Q U W and F? So let me explain about this. See, this U is for depth of cut along x-axis, okay, and then R is for a retract value, and then P is contour starting points, contour starting sequence number, and Q is contour end sequence number. So that is, and U is finishing allowance in x-axis, and W is finishing allowance in z-axis, and F is feed rate in mm per minute. So these are the meaning of this U and R. See, what is this depth of cut? See, so this is the raw material. From this we want the shape like this. This is the final shape of the workpiece we want. See, for reducing this stock from here to here, so we have to move the tool every time like this. See, for one pass, for example, the raw material size is assume 60 mm. For one pass, if I write 4 mm, the cutting tool will move 4 mm from this surface and it will remove the material, and again it will go back for certain value. See, this is the retract value. So if I write 1 mm, after coming from here to here, the tool will go away from the surface of the work, that is R, that is 1 mm here, that is the retract value. And then P is the contour starting point. Contour means what? See, this is the shape of the workpiece we want from this raw material. Okay, this is the workpiece shape. So the starting point of this workpiece is contour starting sequence number. See, for example, if I write the program for this final shape N10, I have to write the 10 here, and this is the Q is the contour. I will write the program from here to here, and then to here, and then to here. Okay, so this number is the Q, and that means contour end number is the end sequence number is the Q number. If that number is N20, then we have to write the 20 here. So here finishing allowance, for finishing operation we have to leave certain amount, certain raw material here. If I write 1, so the controller will leave 1 mm. For example, if this die is 10, the roughing will take place up to 11 mm. That is the 1 mm is for finishing. And then Z. So if I write 2 here, the finishing allowance will be along the Z axis. It will leave the 2 mm stock here along the Z axis. So for F is feed rate for shaping this workpiece. Okay. So now I will write the procedure, write the program for this stock removal. So the name of the program is this one. So this is for sending the tool its home position, this may be G30 or G28, U0, W0 end of block. Then I will change the tool number 2, offset number 2, and then I will rotate the workpiece, so 1000 RPM, and then I will position the workpiece, position the cutting tool to the up to here, that is 60 and Z0. So 25 G71, U is 4 mm, R is 1 mm. So that this is depth of cut, and 30 P, so 35 Q we have to write afterwards, and then U is 1 mm, W is 0.5. So otherwise I will write like this. So this is 0.5 and W is 1 mm, feed is 1 mm, end of block, and then so now N35. So the tool is here, there are 2, it's raw material. So contour shape will be X, G01, X32, Z0 end of block, N40. From here to here I will move the tool from here to here. G01 is there, Z minus 31 end of block, and then the tool has to move from here to here, that is X60, and then N50. So from here to here it is 4 mm, but it is absolute programming, therefore we have to consider from here to here the length of the workpiece, length of this step, that is Z minus 34 mm, and then I will move the tool to its home position. So then end of block. So this is the program. See here, this is homing, this is tool changing, and then workpiece rotation, rapid movement. So the tool will move from rapidly from here to here, and then this number is contour starting point. So this is the depth of cut along x-axis, and this is retract, and then this P is the 35 because the contour is starting from here. See here, G01, X32, Z0, the tool, the shape of this is this one, X32, Z0, and the tool will move from here to here, that is Z minus 31. So P is contour starting point, that means final shape of the workpiece, and this is the diameter of the workpiece, and then again from here to here the length will be from considered from here to here only, and then the tool will move from here to its home position, and we will M30 is for program end and rewind. Okay, so this is the programming procedure for removing the stock. Okay, so now I will show you how this course instructions will actually produce the required work shape and size of the workpiece. Okay friends, let me show you the stock removal cycle in CNC machine. So already program is there. See here, this is the program. Already I explained you homing, G00, G30, U0, W0, and tool offset, tool changing, and then work will rotate at 800 RPM, and rapid positioning, and this is the G71 stock removal cycle, depth of cut and retract 1 mm. So again stock removal cycle, G71 is there. This is the starting line of this profile or contour starting point, that is 35, N35, here 35 is there. So and then the contour will end at 40 mm. So this is at Q position, and we have to write this number at Q, and after completion of this profile, the tool will move its home position, and this is for program end and rewind. Okay, now I will show you how it will work automatically. I will select this program for automatic operation. So 0182. Okay. See, now the tool is moving to its home position. Tool changing. So rapid positioning. So this is the stock removal cycle. Okay, thank you very much.